Machined flat surfaces always have some variation across them. Variations can be grouped into one of three surface categories: flatness, waviness, and roughness. It can be helpful to think of these like a desert. Flatness relates to the hills in the desert, waviness relates to the ripples in the sand, and roughness relates to the individual grains of sand. Waviness is between the hills' flatness and the grains of sand roughness. In mass-produced parts, flatness problems are eliminated by using bolts, while roughness is solved with gasket material. Waviness is only indirectly corrected by this approach, which often means that slight waviness problems can play a large role in determining whether two surfaces will effectively seal. Shapex is able to measure waviness across the entire part surface and provides several different waviness statistics after a measurement is complete. Surface waviness provides a 2D visual look at the surface after it has been filtered with a waviness filter. Here, the image shows the complete surface, and it shows the area where the waviness is high. Zone waviness generates waviness values for regularly spaced zones on the surface. The zone shapes can either be circles or squares, and the zones may overlap each other. The waviness value for each of the zones is computed independently, and the list is located on the left side of the page. Patch waviness computes the waviness parameters for each of the traces in the patch. The average of the trace waviness value is computed to report the overall patch value. A plot is displayed showing the trace values on the top left, a grid of the waviness values. Path waviness displays the waviness response of the height along a path. The path shown goes up and along the chamber. The path is further divided into segments that are computed along the path. These segments are a set length and are not impacted by changes in direction of the path. The segments change direction along the path and are not necessarily straight portions of the path. Shapex can provide a great amount of data regarding the waviness of the surface, which can help solve several manufacturing problems. Any waviness issue on the part can be immediately highlighted before substantial production costs are incurred.